Wrap long lines in Python. How do I wrap long lines in Python without sacrificing indentation? For example, suppose this goes over the 79 character recommended limit. The way I read it, here is how to indent it. However, with this approach, the indentation of the continued line matches the indentation of the fun. This looks kinda ugly. If someone was to go through my code, it would look bad to have uneven indentation because of this print statement. How do I indent lines like this effectively without sacrificing code readability?
Adjacent string literals are concatenated at compile time, just as in C. This URL is a good place to start for more info.
Using concatenation of adjacent string literals, together with formatted string literals is the way to go. This approach complies with PEP 8 and allows better use of space. No plus operators needed, no backslashes for line continuation, no irregularities of indentation, no error-prone plus equals to an accumulator string variable, which can be mistyped as equals, resulting in a silent error, no stray parenthesis hanging below the print, the arguments are placed in their own level of indentation, and the next element at the indentation level of print is the next statement. Starting the strings on the line below the line that contains the print reduces indentation, and is more readable. Readability stems from both print standing out, by being on its own line, and by the uniform alignment of consecutive statements of this form. The reduction in indentation from this approach becomes more evident when raising exceptions. Regarding formatted string literals, signified by the prefix f, as in f. Raw strings can be formatted string literals, by combining the prefixes r and f. Note that raw strings are necessary for including literal backslashes without writing backslash. Otherwise, in a future Python version, a syntax error will be raised. As of Python 3.9, a deprecation warning is raised. Outputs? The replacements are very readable. In particular, this approach makes writing code that generates code or mathematical formulas a very pleasant task. Rarely, the method str.format may be suitable, due to what substitutions are needed. It can be used as follows.
You could use the following code where indentation doesn't matter. You just need to enclose string in the parentheses.
You can use the fact that Python concatenates string literals which appear adjacent to each other.
EQ and